Decided to, instead of possibly wasting and it messing up and not fitting, I ended up deciding I'm gonna try to do a test print first. It should only take 6 hours, so I can check back when that comes out. And as you can see, I'm about to start the printer. I always recommend putting your bed to, or putting your hot end to the right temperature first, because it just cycles it and it takes much longer. So I'm going to throw that on there. Did not realize I forgot I had the speed very low. Perfect. And then this one does have an enclosure. Once this is done, I will pick back up. As you can see, it's printing here, and excuse the dust, it's got about 7 hours left. And I will bring back once